Hello guys, welcome to Monday. Woo! And it's chilly today. Miss Cantwell is very pleased. Today is September 28th. It is a Monday. So you're going to go to classwork and we have two tabs here. This is where the instructional video is and your CNN 10. Today your fun fact is, how many pounds does the giant robot weigh? And so you will go watch the video, then you will come back here and you will answer the question. It is a multiple choice question. You just click on the one you think it is. But I highly suggest that you go watch it because it's for a grade. And then today we're going to spend the class time sharing our civilization foldables. Be prepared to explain your drawings and the features to everyone in detail. So hopefully you guys finished that. If you did not, the tab is down here on Thursday, the characteristics of a civilization. Here's the shape you need to draw. And here's Miss Cantwell's example. It's got to look like this. You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me the features of a civilization. Draw a picture of what that looks like to you and define civilization in the middle. So if we finish presenting our civilizations and you've watched CNN 10, you are going to go finish any other late work that you need to work on in my class. And if you are all caught up, you need to go finish work in other classes or work on iReady reading. Okay? That's the agenda for Monday, September 28th. The tab is the 28th through October 2nd. Friday is October 2nd, you guys. Ms. Cantwell is so ready for cold weather. I'm excited. All right, let's get started and get through the day.